Okay, folks, we weren't able to take video on the flying attraction due to all the motion, which was amazing. So now we're just chilling out on the carousel. Genevieve has chosen the stationary horse this time around. I am seated because the, let's just say the saddle was not designed for someone who's 6'4", but we're gonna ride. Faster, faster, faster. Getting a nice view of this is where our granddaughter is probably going to go crazy. This is a building station. Wow, Jen, you're riding it up over there. Wave to the people. It's kind of fun, folks. A little side note, these are our first... Yeah, the breeze is great. This is our first set of rides in the pandemic era. Before this, I would honestly have to take a wild guess that it was, I want to say fall of 2019 was the last time we got on any rides. So it's been a bit. I think it was right before our last cruise. So once we get done in this wonderful new Lego Movie World land, we will go out and explore the rest of the park as time allows before we have to head home. Kind of a quick turn and burn trip, but we were very grateful that the good folks here at Legoland invited us to come out to Media Day, so we absolutely made the trip. We drove over late last night, or yesterday afternoon actually, about a 5-hour and change drive from home. Enjoyed our night in San Diego, and then drove to the park this morning for press day, and this has been well worth it. Amazing. The big ride, which we're coming up on here, that's the big showcase ride here, was just beyond incredible. Okay, we're coming to a stop, so we will be back in a bit with new adventures.